Hello everyone, not a cooking video. I just thought I'd show you what I'm having for dinner. I wasn't really going to do one, but while I'm waiting for a few things to do, I thought I'd just show you. I'm doing some roast potatoes, which I'm just getting out now. Absolutely delicious, I'll show you. Let me show you. There they are, my delicious roasters. They're all done. I'm going to get them out into a bowl. And we're having, done a little bit early. So I've got to get them out. I don't want them burning, if you get me. Delicious. I'll just cover them with a bit of foil, they'll be fine. Get them out, get them all out. Lovely crunchy roasters. Yeah, I wasn't going to show you because I've been watching the football and I've just been popping in and out, you see, so I thought I'd just show you at the end here, sort of. There's my roasters, anyway, delicious. We're going to have a toad in the hole. That's going to go in a second, just waiting for the sausages to brown up a little bit more. I'm just having some cabbage, some green beans, and a bit of broccoli stems, that's all. And at the end, oh, a bit of crunchy bit there. Let me have the crunchy bit. Why am I hell? It's going to be hot. Oh, hot, 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 hot. Oh, more wonky. Just going to wrap them up now. Nice and loose, keep them warm. Let me get me toad in the hole in. I'm using them sausages from Muscle Foods, them Cumberland ones that I tried on the live stream. Absolutely delicious, so we're going to have them. So I'll show you when it's done. I got me pumpkin, a massive one, a giant pumpkin for Tuesday. For my live stream. There it is. Quite expensive that was. It was a £5 that was from Aldi. Quite expensive. The only ones they had left was the big ones. Big though. And yes, I'm going to go live Tuesday. Last day of the month for the tasty coins and all that. But it's going to be a long live stream. It's going to probably be about 5 hours stream. I'm going to go live probably about, I don't know, about 11 o'clock in the morning, something like that. So just pop on and off if you can. I know people can't and that, but that's what I'm going to do. Because what I'm going to cook and make, take a little bit of time. Time we've had a chat and everything to get things prepared. So, that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, back onto the food. Okay, I've got to be quick here. I'm going to get this, Yorkshire pudding in. Before the fat goes all cools down a bit. There we go. So we get it straight in there. And don't open the oven. About 25 minutes or something like that. Ow, ow, it's hot, it's hot. Oh. Dee, 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 dee. Have you look how big that's gone. Oh yes. Look at it. It's even expanded over the sides. There's my sausage. Oh yes. Okay, I'm going to dish up. Look at that. So this one's just a show thing really, as I say. Been watching the football and it's in and out. Don't look too bad though, does it, Bab? No. I mean, I've just been in and out and I haven't really been doing a lot. Let me show you. I just thought something to pull up for you guys. There it is, the toad in the hole. I have made better, but it has come up big. Them sausages are only small. They are only really thin anyway. So, but it's what we used. Oh, loads of gravy. Loads of gravy on that, nuts. Let me have some gravy. pour it on. Like that. There we go. Okay, that's it, guys. I'm going to go and eat it now. Okay, just something for you to watch, I suppose, if you want to watch it, or if you don't, or whatever. Just thought I'd show you what we're having for dinner. That's all, because Nat wanted toast in the hole, didn't you, Bab?
Yep, I did.
So, we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Yeah? No?
That's nice.
Nice.
Yeah. That's quite nice.
Nice.